Alright, let's talk about the one milestone that separates the truly disciplined from the "I'll start next Monday" crowd. Waking up at 4:30 a.m. You've heard the hype. It's the ultimate productivity hack, the secret of CEOs, athletes, and probably a few secret agents. But does it actually work? And more importantly, can you do it? Spoiler. Yes, but it's going to hurt a little. Let's break it down. We all chase those big life milestones, right? Turning 21, finally feeling like freedom is unleashed, until the first pile of bills hits. Then it's hitting that $100,000 salary, feeling like a boss, only to have taxes snatch half of it back. Maybe you're aiming for the $1 million net worth, that baller status. Or maybe you just got lucky with Bitcoin. Some of us want to run a 7-minute mile because apparently cardio is non-negotiable for living a good life. Others are grinding for 542,000 YouTube subscribers. And somewhere in there, we get the idea that waking up at 5 a.m. is the key to unlocking, well, everything. The real game changer, 4:30 a.m. Look, I get it. That snooze button is basically a siren song at this point. But here's the cold, hard truth. If you're waking up as late as possible and crashing as late as possible, you're basically handing your life over to the procrastination gods. It's not fair, it's brutal, but more importantly, it's reality. Chapter 3. The Early Bird Fantasy. So you want to join the 4:30 a.m. club, huh? You're fired up, you're motivated, you're ready to turn your life around. You hit Google, type in "how to wake up early," and boom, 1 million search results pop up, all promising you the moon and the stars if you just follow their foolproof plan. And what is this magical plan, you ask? Oh, you know, just a casual list of completely unrealistic tasks designed for robots disguised as humans. Warm shower before bed? Check. Read a book by candlelight? Double check. Meditate for 15 minutes while simultaneously solving world hunger? Obviously, we gotta get real. Chapter 4. The one alarm method. Forget everything you thought you knew about waking up early. Scrap the multiple alarms, the snooze button negotiations, the whole shebang. That's not a strategy. That's training your brain to treat alarms like they're optional suggestions. 5 a.m.? Nah. 5:10 a.m.? Maybe later. 5:20 a.m. Fine. I'm up. No more of that. We're going hardcore with the one alarm method. It's exactly what it sounds like. You pick one alarm time, and when that bad boy goes off, you launch yourself out of bed like it's a fire drill. It's simple, it's brutally effective, and it's going to change your life. Chapter 5. Making 4:30 a.m. your reality. All right, so you've conquered the first hurdle. You're actually getting out of bed at 4:30 a.m. Give yourself a pat on the back, that's huge. But now comes the real challenge, making this a habit, a lifestyle. Here's how we're going to do it. First things first, ease into it. Don't go from being a card-carrying member of the Night Owl Society to forcing yourself into a 9:30 p.m. bedtime. Instead, move your bedtime back gradually, like 15 minutes a day. Okay, are you ready to join the 4:30 club? There you go, 4:30 a.m. unlocked. So, what's it going to be? Cool story, maybe later, or are you actually stepping up? Smash that like button if you're joining the 4:30 club, subscribe for more reality checks, and drop a comment with your best excuse for not starting tomorrow. Oh, And if you're watching this at 3 a.m., the time to rethink your life choices. Catch you in the next one.